Hello, this is a quick video to overview week 2. Now for week 2 you only have one required assignment, and that is the diagnostic essay. And the diagnostic essay will be due on Sunday, September 8th by 11:59 p.m. Now this particular essay is very important. Now it's not important because of necessarily its grade, but the value of it and the feedback that you're going to receive upon it. Now when you submit this, I am actually going to print out the essay. I'm going to look at it for its content, also for its grammar. I will be using our rubric that is used to grade your test essays, and I will grade it like it's actually a real test essay that you submitted to be graded, because I want you to see my grading system and how it works with the rubric that we use here in the Language Arts Department. Now, again, that's the value of the assignment. You're going to get feedback. You're going to see how I grade, my expectations of you as a writer. But when you actually submit the assignment, you're really only going to receive a complete or incomplete grade, an I or a C. You obviously want the C. So please do this assignment not because of necessarily its worth to your final grade, but because of the feedback that you're going to receive from it. And it is required for you to do the diagnostic essay. You cannot continue the course if you do not submit the diagnostic essay, and you have a whole week to work on this. I just want to see what your best work is. Now, what I don't want you to do is to go straight down to week 2 and go to the module 6 to diagnostic essay and click on the module, and you click on the assignment and just start writing it. Especially if you have not had a writing or English class in years, you need a refreshment. So I would encourage you to look through those modules, which they're numbered here, and I'm going to go through them in more in depth. When you click on the diagnostic essay, there's going to be a video that's attached to that particular assignment, and I'm going to explain what some of those modules are and how they can benefit you in looking at them. These modules are not only beneficial to you for the diagnostic essay, they're beneficial to you for all of our essays, because some things have changed as far as structure, thesis statement, as far as what expectations are. So please make sure, as I said, that you look at all the modules 1 through 5 before you click on module 6 and actually go into the assignment and start the diagnostic essay. And let me see what your best work is. Don't just sit down and slop out an essay in about an hour. I would encourage you to start a draft maybe early in the week, go back to it, look at it, make some revisions, proofread it, maybe have a family member or friend look over it to give feedback as well, and then submit the final draft of the diagnostic, and I am going to be giving you in-depth feedback on that. Well, as I said last week, it's a pleasure for us to be in the course together. If you have questions, I will be happy to answer those. And I absolutely look forward to reading more about your writing histories and your diagnostic essays. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.